Sheet metal exercise 6, with the focus, close corner and 3 bend corner. Corners in sheet metal parts can be really complex. This corner can still be easily closed, just like this one. But this corner is already getting complicated. And this corner brings together all the problems. What do all corners have in common? They can be closed, with just a few clicks. Close corner. These 4 corners of the sheet metal part need to be closed. Let's start with the simplest corner. Corner 1. Both flanges are the same length, start directly at the corner, and have a bending angle of 90 degrees. After starting the closed corner command, and selecting the close and relief option, the corner is closed, after selecting the 2 bending radii. If the open options is activated, the bending radii remain unchanged, but the flanges are trimmed to each other. You can also define a gap here. The flanges can also overlap. This allows one flange to support the other, or vice versa. In either case, the sheet metal part becomes more stable. With an overlap ratio of 0.5, the flanges only overlap by 50%. With the closed option, the areas of the bending radii are also trimmed. To prevent buckling of the sheet metal in the corner of the bending radii, various cutouts can be created. For example, a circular cutout. The diameter and position are adjustable. The value under offset refers to the center of the bend, or the corner point of the planar surface. The sharp edges can be rounded off with blend miter. Depending on the selected type, the legend changes, so that the desired values can be entered. Corner 2. The next 2 flanges have different angles and lengths. Both flanges start in the corner. However, after selecting the bending radii, the same options are available again. If the closed option is selected, the material is compressed in the corner. You can prevent this with the miter corner option. This will open the corner up to the intersection point. By the way, if you select the relief option, the flanges will not be trimmed. Only the corner will be processed. Corner 3. Here, one flange starts directly in the corner, and the other flange starts at a distance of 10 mm. And this flange has an additional bend. But even this corner can be closed without any problems. With the miter corner option, the additional bend is also taken into account or not. However, sometimes the command displays an error message after selecting the bending radii. The error message appears when only one flange starts in the corner. Therefore, change the width of the flange so that it does not start in the corner. Now the corner can be closed. Corner 4. Both flanges do not start in the corner, and have one or more bends. In addition, this flange has a different bend radius. After selecting the bends, this corner is also closed. Nice to know, with miter limits, you can limit the extension of the flanges in the corner. Corner 5, 3 bend corner. And finally, the most complicated corner follows. 2 flanges are attached to a bending angle. This results in 3 bends running towards the corner. 2 additional flanges are also added. All flanges have different lengths and different bending angles. To close such corners, you need the 3 bend corner command. Just select the bending radii of the adjacent flanges, and the corner will be closed correctly. Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions or requests, please write in the comments or send me an email directly to info@learnNX.com.